This simple mistake can make or break your business. It cost you thousands of dollars if you're not careful. But before I get into that, my name is Elias and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe down below. And if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, this video that's going to pop up on the screen, make sure you watch that full video to explain what affiliate marketing is and give you more information, answer some questions that you may have. Well, what's that mistake that people are making? That mistake is choosing the wrong product. Your product is going to make or break you, or your product is going to make and break you. If you choose the wrong product, that can cost you thousands of dollars in advertising and anything like that, right? So what beginners do is they choose the wrong product. They choose just the first product that they see. And what that does, they spend time and money trying to promote that product and get nowhere and lose thousands of dollars and make and break their company. Now, I'm trying to avoid that with you. I'm trying to help you out. So what you're going to see in this video, you're going to see how I search for products and how I choose winning products that you can use in any niche. So let's get right in. I'm not going to lie with you guys. This is one of my favorite subjects to cover and topics. Because who doesn't love choosing products? But it's very, very important to choose the right product, like you're choosing the right girlfriend. Now, you may not get it right the first time or the second time or the 10th time. But hopefully this video will teach you the best strategies, the best ways to choose a product where you don't have to go through as many as I did to choose the right one. Now, there's a lot of things that go into it, and I'm going to cover them. So make sure you stick to the end to see the ways I search for products and the information I look into to make sure this is the right product for me. Now, let's talk about ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the ways to search products. Not necessarily the website, but the way it is. It's an affiliate network. An affiliate network is where companies, products, services go into one spot and host their information, their products, or their services on that. ClickBank is top one, number one ranked affiliate network out there for a reason. Now, it's pretty simple, and keep in mind, guys, this is 100% free to join. All you gotta do is go to sign up, and it's 100% free to join. All you gotta do is go through this information. I'm not gonna show you because it's absolutely simple and a caveman can do it. Go through the steps, sign up for free, and get going. Now that you're logged in, the really important part here is gonna be this dashboard on the left side. The affiliate marketplace is gonna be the most important part to you. All you wanna do is click on that, and it's gonna take you to the marketplace. It has a number of categories you can choose from spiritual, self-help, politics, parenting, home and garden, health and fitness, to e-business and marketing. Whatever you like, it's going to be on here. Now, the good way I can do it here is click the find products here, the search. As you can see here, it's going to sort by, what the most popular by rank here. What we want to do is sort by gravity. And let me discuss here real quick with you what all these things mean. On gravity here, what that means is how interested is customers to this. How many affiliate marketers are doing this, and what's the interest on this product? On the very first one, we can see gravity of 628, which is huge, right? The next one is 336, which is huge. My suggestion is stay over 30 gravity and try to choose something that's not, the very top, right? What this means is there's a lot of interest, but there's also a lot of competition. So you want to choose something that's in the mid tiers, right? And anything over 30 will work. Anything under 30 you want to stay away from, because there's just not very interested people in it and not very much, interest in it. Average conversion is the next big thing you want to look at when you're looking at ClickBank products. This means when someone goes to the website, buy something, the cart price is going to be $136.33 on average. You want to take a look into that, because you don't want something that's super low, because if it's a very low average, then your commission is going to be low as well. Also, you want to look at the reoccurring bill. If there's any reoccurring fees that you're gonna reoccurring commission that you're gonna receive, because reoccurring is huge. If it's a $20 reoccurring bill and you get 100 people to sign up, that's $200 reoccurring every month that you're gonna get. Next thing you can have physical products, upsells, if the product has any upsells they can provide, what language, if it's a reoccurring or a one-time payment. There's lots of things you can sort by to get more specific. Now, what I want to do here is go into a specific category and niche here in the home and garden, and we want to look at the dog training here. Best training for dogs, brain training for dogs. Now, look at this. The reason I choose this one here because it has a very high gravity of 115, which is awesome. It's not too high, but it's not too low. It has an average conversion of $31, which is pretty good, right? For the category, for the niche, and for the gravity, that's pretty good. You also want to look at that. What kind of resources does it have? It shows here that it has an affiliate page here. So let's click on that. And what it does, it gives you a lot of resources. Now, my number one suggestion is you don't have to buy the product if you don't want to. You can just look at the resources, but get very, very well informed of the product like it's your own. So that way, if you're providing content or writing content or writing videos of it, you can be an expert in this product. It shows you, who the person is, why, they did this. You received, commission rate, you receive 75%. Now, that's another big thing to look at. What's your commission rate? 70% on every sale. That's the highest possible commission possible on ClickBank, which is huge, right? That's why I chose this. They also have an email here. Do you need help promoting this? Do you need help with anything? You can always email them. Their goal is to help you because, more money for you means more money for them as well. How you can join gives you some resources how you can join. Here's a quick way. All you gotta do is put your username, and I'll talk about the username here as well. And it's really as simple as that. It tells you about the product as well. And then it gives you some free giveaways. Then awesome thing about this is the email swipes, guys. Email swipes. This indicates that they give you emails that you can use, and including your email responses to your customers. This is huge. If you're just a beginner and you say, hey, I don't know what to write. I don't know what to write emails. I don't know what to do. This is huge. Now you can just customize it to yourself, make it more personable. But this is a big reason why you want to look into products like this. Keyword ideas, lookalike audiences. There's lots of stuff that you can do to help you succeed. Now let's go back here. So let's say you want to promote the brain training for dogs. And this is just like a second example. You can choose whatever product, whatever niche you like. So let's go back to the brain training for dogs. And once you want to promote, all you got to do is hit the promote button right here. In your account nickname. Your account nickname is what you would make here in ClickBank. It gives you the options to make it simple, guys. If you're making an account nickname, make it your first or last name. Don't overthink this. And if you like the tracking ID, which is optional, doesn't need to do that. And all you would do is hit generate a hop link, and it's gonna give you a link that's gonna go specifically to you. That's what you will post on your social medias, on your Instagram posts, whatever it is, right? It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about the second way to search for products. The easiest way and the most convenient way is go quotation marks, your niche or specific or specific company, and affiliate program. Now this is universal, right? Dog, I put dog because we're looking at dogs. You can put scuba diving, you can put kayaking, you can be hiking. You can put whatever your affiliate is or whatever company you want to look for. Now there's a lot of them here. These top 10s are really, I would look at them, but don't take them with a grain of salt because these are blog posts. But here's one, FitBark. FitBark is a great example of affiliate programs and give you a lot of information. It gives you, and I'll tell you the top three things you can look at when you're choosing a product here. Let's look at them. Let me get my marker out. We pay 12% commission. Now that doesn't seem huge, but for a company that it's pretty good. 12%, right? 12% commission. It is something you want to look at. What is their commission rate of the company you're looking at? If it's like a 1 or 2%, I would stay away, right? But if it's over 10%, that's pretty good, pretty decent, right? It's not like a 75% as we saw on ClickBank, but keep in mind this is more of a physical product, but just one of the big things you want to look at. Next, what is their average order size? Same as we saw ClickBank and average conversion rate. What is the same thing? This is $100, so roughly you're gonna receive $12 per cart or per order, right? Which is decent, right? Now the cookie duration. Cookie duration is 60 days. So you're asking me, Elias, what is the cookie duration? Is that like a real cookie or how does that work? So it's pretty simple, and I'll explain it this way. A cookie is when someone lands through a website or to a website, they're gonna put like a little sticker on your computer indicating that they're tracking your activity on that website. Now, when someone goes through your link and lands on the website, it's gonna track that, hey, John Smith referred this customer, and we're going to track it for 60 days. 60 days is really good. I highly suggest stay over 30 days with any cookie duration. The higher the better, right? If it's 60, 120, a year, or lifetime. Because what happens, most customers don't buy the first time. So if it's 60 days and you send them on day one and they come back 50 days later to buy the product or buy more products, you're going to receive the commission for that. You're gonna receive the credit for that because you brought that customer in within those 60 days, and that's awesome, right? You don't want your hard work to put down the drain just because they have a low cookie duration. That's very, very important. Now, once again, the dog affiliate program is just a template. Switch the dog with whatever topic, whatever company you want to find that specific affiliate program that you want. It's very, very easy and super. Just gotta go through a few, right? Just because the first one you saw maybe not the best, go through a couple pages or reword your words, right? Maybe dog training, maybe dog collar, maybe dog beds are a great example that you can search, right? These are great examples that you can do to go from there. Now that you've seen the products I choose and how I choose them, the ways I search them, you can do the same with your niche. Let's get right into it. Let's get to work and make sure you follow along for any additional videos. Let's go.